Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an OP human in Worldbox, so aka make someone very powerful. Well, that's very easy, and we're also going to not just create an OP human, we're also going to test out his strength. So the cool thing about Worldbox is that you really get to be creative. Like, it's almost as if the sky is the limit itself. So right here we have our OP human. We are trapping him in a barrier. We've created another civilization by the side, by the way, a normal civilization, while our OP human is isolated on this part of the island, the upper part of the island, where we're going to make him extremely powerful. And once we've done that, we are going to make him face the civilization that we've just created on the farther side of the island. Okay, so civilization is really going good here on this side of the island. I don't know if we could stand this at all. He'll probably end up getting killed in this one, but let's just try. Alright, there's no harm in trying. I've fast forwarded this to like a gazillion times so that you guys could like really get a brief view. He's building the house all by himself. He's building houses, hasn't make any civilization of his own because I've gave him the trait of infertile, meaning he can't sire children, and there's only one of him, so there's no really beings to mate with. So right now, let's just wait for the perfect opportunity for our civilization to actually like get at its peak. Now what the hell, let's just go ahead and get them to war right now. So they've declared war on this god that I just created, demigod. So basically, let's put the demigod on the nearer side of the island where he could easily be spotted and get attacked. So the civilizations in this area are questioning what the hell is behind those square walls, and turns out a demigod is inside. So let me just turn off the traits, the options here where giving my civilizations unlimited resources. Well, you just turn it off. There's no use for it now. They haven't seemed to notice him here yet. I don't know. Something's wrong here. They've clearly... Oh, here it is. They've spotted him. And off with their arrows. Now, these guys gotta be really careful, because I've fused this demigod with an atomic explosion, meaning if he dies, there's going to be a huge atomic explosion that's probably going to wipe out half, if not the entire colony, the entire city that these guys have built. So yeah, he can't fight back because our demigod doesn't have any weapons yet. He wasn't that advanced yet. Yeah, he's getting pushed further away from the volcano here. And the civilization is getting really advanced. They have boats and stuff, but our demigod here is still holding up. Very good. Look at them. These simulants were probably really amazed, like, why can't we kill this guy? He's not immortal, guys. He's just very durable. And I do believe that there's a see, that's his life right there, Gregory, our immortal one. I do believe that his time will come really soon, because his life is almost out. So let's just wait for that perfect opportunity to watch Gregory die, so to say. Okay, so let's just listen to, I don't know if you guys could hear the actual games and the simulants chanting. Let's put Gregory here on the center side of the civilization, just so we could get a very epic death. So that's the consequence of trying to kill a demigod, basically. So, oh, he's generated a little bit. So yeah, I don't think he has a lot more time here. This is just his normal life. See, when I fused him with the super health, it amps his health to like godlike status. And now that the simulants, the civilizations have finished the super health that I gave him, he's just now relying on his natural lifespan, durability as well. So as you can see, his life is fading before his eyes right now. See, these are the traits. This is the death note. When he dies, man, he's gonna take some souls with him, because I'll tell you, it's going kaboom on this one. So far, this demigod is imagine an army of demigod. How about creating a video that resembles exactly that, where we have an island of demigods and an entire half of the world, civilization, normal people, waging war on a few hundred demigods. That would be a sight to behold. Well, that's a foreshadowing, maybe, of a future video, but let's check in Gregory here. Not a very fitting name for a demigod, but nah, are fine. We're really following him here. The entire army. Well, yeah, including civilians as well. Because there's an option here where you could allow civilians to participate in combat, or you could just, let the military do its thing and leave the civilians be. I wonder when will he oh, here it is. Boom. Death Note. Man, the entire army is wiped out, as you can see. Anyways, yep, their island is toast. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.